In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your Amazon FBM listing so it does not disrupt your Amazon FBA listing. You want to have both of these on there for security purposes. For the full video of me going over why you should have an FBM and an FBA listing, I'll put that link at the very end of this video. Let's jump in. All right, so here we are inside of our Seller Central, and the screen I'm on right now is simply just coming up here to catalog and then hitting add products, and then this screen will pop up. What you need to do is find the ASIN of whatever product you're going to create that FBM listing for. And so to find your ASIN, you just go to manage your inventory and then just find the ASIN. You paste that ASIN in here and then you hit enter and it will pop up that ASIN. Now, what you can see here is you can create a new listing or you can just go on this listing. And so what you want to do first is select a condition, which is new, and then just click sell this product. That should open up a new screen, and this is kind of your edit screen right here. And so what you're going to do is pick your price. I recommend matching the price that you're already doing. Your advanced view, you can look at that or you can just keep it simple. With the advanced view, you're just going to have a couple more options to put in. Let me go through the simple view first and then I'll go through the advanced view. So with the seller SKU, I like to use the same SKU that we use on the listing. But what I like to do is just add FBM on the back of it. That just tells me that it's the FBM listing. And then you can kind of put in whatever suggested manufacturer's retail price, doesn't really matter. And then the quantity, you can just put whatever quantity you have on hand at your third-party logistics center or at your house. And so there's softwares that will keep this in sync in your third-party logistics center, like we use Viable Shipping at viableshipping.com. They're friends of ours. We have no affiliation with them. They have a product or they have a software that syncs this up. And so it keeps the quantity updated constantly. And then what you're going to pick here, as opposed to this, which is FBA, you're going to pick, I will ship this item myself. And so once you say, I will ship this item myself, that is an FBM listing. And then you hit save and finish. That's pretty much it. That's how you create your FBM listing. And then you can edit it just like you would any other listing inside your FBA. Now let's look at the advanced view just so you can see that. So again, $29.97, seller SKU, sale price. You can put a sale price in, you don't need to. Condition note, put taxes in if you enroll in taxes, which I highly recommend. Handling time, 5 days. Restock date, you can put today's date if you want. You don't really need to, you can leave it blank. Max order quantity if you want to have that. You do need to set up shipping plans, and we have a free Amazon standard shipping plan. Because you want shipping to be free, even though you'll lose a little money on that. The key though is that they expect prime shipping. And so prime shipping is free. So you want to make sure your shipping is free as well. And so then you just hit save and finish. And so to set up your shipping plans, I think it's just up here. Let me actually go back to this screen, settings, and I believe it's in shipping settings. And so that's where you can set up that free shipping plan. But then after you hit save and finish, you're all set. Your FBM listing has been set up. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below and then hit that subscribe button while you're down there and be notified, and hit the bell right beside it to be notified whenever we come out with great videos just like this one. And if you haven't yet, take my free Amazon PPC Masterclass. You can either click the link in the description down below or it's going to be in the comments down below. I'm also going to put a video right here that's going to have all of those videos so you don't have to sign up for anything. Or if you want to get it emailed to you once a week, make sure you click that link in the description or check out this whole playlist of all my Amazon PPC Masterclass.